For some reason, I've always imagined working on a farm to be quite chill. You know, yeah, you got to wake up early, but you're looking after animals, you're feeding them. You haven't got a boss really, but there's got to be moments that happen on a farm that, you know, like maybe you're walking on the field somewhere and like maybe you step into some animal doo-doo. I don't know, some crazy moments. Oh my God! Oh! Oh no! Oh! Oh! Whoa! Whoa!
There goes.
Oh my God! Oh my God! What the hell? What happened there?
Did he get you?
Whoa! Easy. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh! Back you but one time.
Oh!
Did you get him?
Oh! Oh, she looks so angry.
Oh,
Man, that hurt.
are you okay?
It's like the Titanic. It's like the Titanic.
Hey, y'all got a cigarette?
We don't smoke.
F off.
Jesus, lady.
They duct tape you up. This right here is a gorilla stuff. It's tough stuff. Gorillas are tough. But they said that if it don't matter how they tape you
Gorillas
up.
are tough.
If you do this simple move, you can get out of it. And we're gonna try it.
What's it
So
called?
put your hands on top of your head.
Oh!
So you put your hands on top of your head like this,
Go straight down the middle.
and you go straight. And you go straight down.
Not one day doesn't happen like this.
How'd he get in the office? Whoa! That was close. Oh no! Oh!
No.
Oh! The horse was like, "You need to cool down, buddy."
Leave me alone.
Oh my God.
Y'all seen the Chewbacca. You ain't never seen the redneck Chewbacca. Here he is.
Oh my God. So much grain.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
I love that from the sheep. Oh, lost the phone. Oh, you know that hurt bad. Uh-oh. Oh my God.
Happy Sunday.
Oh God. Oh my God.
Cow thing.
Oh, is it going to tip over? Oh no, it's tipping over. Oh no.
There you go, right there.
Hit the gas, Doug.
Oh my God, why? Why has he done that for?
Aguas.
I mean, she asked for that. She asked for this.
Caitlin, back at it again with the chickens.
Oh. Oh God. What is that? A trampoline? Ah. What was that? What was he walking on top of?
For tiny children in a
Forward. Stomp it down and lean forward.
The horses, they know something's up.
Hey, Poppy.
Oh, I was going to chase her.
Poppy.
Oh!
Oh, damn it!
Watch out! Hey!
Give me back my bucket. Come here. Give me back my bucket. Come.
Just pull it off, dude. Ooh. Ooh.
Moo.
That's a big chicken. Oh my God, that chicken is huge.
Yeah.
That chicken was massive. Oh my God, is it eating his hair? Oh no, okay. Oh no. Nice.
Whoa!
Oh.
Turn it to the left, turn it to the left, turn it to the left.
Oh my God.
Honey, what are you doing with that?
Where you going, buddy? Wow, what is this thing? Is it like a... Looks like, is it like a hay bale maker? I think we see some hay in there. Man, what is that? Oh!
Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Oh! You
You all right? Oh God! Did the phone? Oh my God! It just spat. That was so gross.
Watch out, Grady.
Speak English, they say.
Yeah. Ooh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He was like, give me that. Oh.
Across it, man. You gotta jump over that thing.
Oh. Oh my God, what happened to the sheep? Why did the sheep just collapse like that?
Have you ever?
Oh no. Oh no. For me, the one that sticks in my head the most is the I think, was it a llama? The one, I think it was number 14, when it just spat at that dude. So much spit came out. That was absolutely grim. Could you imagine that was you? Imagine his mouth was open. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and check out the video I'm going to link right here. See you there.